So let me make a brief introduction to myself. So my name is Neil Chilton. I'm the technical director and one of the founders at a UK company called Printed Electronics Limited. So we were one of the early adopters of the name Printed Electronics. We started back in 2005. So we've now been going for just over 20 years. So it's a nice achievement to have gotten to 20 years in the technology. We are, as a company, primarily a manufacturing company. We focus on small volume, high complexity products made with either screen printing, aerosol, nozzle jet deposition, inkjet, and a variety of different technologies. We are based within the UK's largest printed circuit board manufacturer, which is one of the Amphenol group, so it's a company called Amphenol Invitec. And where we're physically located is nearest to Birmingham in the UK. We do have another facility in the UK, and that is based in Cambridge, and that's where we do ink formulation, ink reformulation and rheology modification. And that is led by my colleague Claire Conboy, who runs that facility. So what we do as a company is we focus on basically manufacturing. So we like to support people through the stage of growing from an idea through to mid-volume manufacturing of what we deem to be relatively complex products. We also do, of course, process and product development. That's for our own stuff and also for our customer applications too. We do equipment sales and equipment design, and those equipment sales so we act as a distributor and a representative for a number of high-tech equipment manufacturers, but our differentiator for that is we only do that for machines we know how to use. So it's really the machines that we've got lots of experience of that we tend to sell. So we also do contract research and development and industrial training, which is a little bit about what this is, and electronics design as well. We have electronics design engineers who can make products either based on conventional PCB manufacturing and layout or based on printed electronic designs as well. And we're exhibiting on one of the stands tomorrow, so you'll be able to see a little bit more about what we do in that side of things tomorrow if you come and see us. This slide shows a little bit about the type of equipment that one might need if you want to do printed electronics. Now, obviously, we have a fairly wide remit of different technologies that we do, but it gives you an idea and an overview of the type of machines that are likely to be useful to you for auxiliary functions. And it's just an example, really, to sort of show you some of the things that are particularly useful, but you maybe don't expect to be. One of the things that we found to be an extremely useful addition to the facility, because we do a lot of screen printing, is the planetary mixer. Mixing of inks, getting them ready for putting on the screen printer. It's just something that, before we had a planetary mixer, mixing inks can take a long time and be quite challenging. But it's just one of those small bits of equipment that actually can make a difference to your capabilities as a manufacturer. So in the facility, we have inkjet equipment. We have Dymatics DMP and a number of other sort of inkjet equipments there. We have screen printing, which is the main thrust of what we do from a manufacturing point of view. But we also have IDS, Aerosol jet. We have superfine inkjet, which is one of the EHD, electrohydrodynamic methods. And then a number of other sort of auxiliary technologies as well. That's what we call our printing facility. And then in our facility in Cambridge, we have a range of equipment for ink formulation, or ink reformulation, really, because we tend to focus on making inks which other people are not doing. We don't want to make any silver inks, for example. There's just enough of those around. There's some very, very good ones that we use commercially. So we focus on inks and ink reformulation and ink measurement in our facility in Cambridge. So one of the things to bear in mind about if you're choosing to do printing, let me just see if we can get this first animation going. Choosing to do printing is that you are choosing to basically manufacture with a liquid. And I apologize for the way this has all come out a little bit strange here. The first slide is, the first image there is supposed to show an inkjet head, which isn't playing for some reason. Maybe it is now. So you've got the ink ejecting from the inkjet head. You've got the ink falling onto the surface where your interactions there are critically important, whether the ink sort of merges into individual or separated drops, and then you've got the effect on the surface of the Marangoni flow. So when you've got those